This 2025 Venture RV SportTrek 5 Touring Edition STTF 363 VFR is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 41 feet 7 inches in length and features Sleep 6, stovetop burner, skylight, LP detector, spare tire kit, slide-out, auxiliary battery, awning, leveling jacks, water heater, refrigerator, and 76 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Venture RV SportTrek 5 Touring Edition STTF 363 VFR is 12,330 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.